Different colors, different lands, different voices, different hands. But we all belong to God above. He made us all with perfect love. Some wear sandals, some wear shoes. Some speak English, some speak Zulu. But every child from every place is wrapped in God's amazing grace. We're all God's children, hand in hand, across the oceans, across the land, loved by Him, both near and far. We shine like His brightest star. Big or small, shy or loud, we're all part of heaven's crowd. Every smile, every face is filled with light and love and grace. So let's be kind and celebrate. Our differences are truly great. God made us all, and that's the key to live in love and unity. No matter where you're from today, God's love is just a prayer away. Let's sing together side by side with Jesus as our guide.